welcome back to my channel. It's me, Vanna Brooke, and I am back sharing with you my transformative skincare, specifically night skincare. So I want to put this edit together for you guys because I know that it's hard to find products that are actually going to change the appearance and texture of your skin. So consistent use in a month or less, all of these products have done exactly what they are supposed to do, and I'm so happy to share the details with you. We're starting off with these elemis resurfacing pads. These can actually be used twice a day. I prefer to use them at night though, and they are a gentle exfoliator. I have used them twice a day and haven't noticed any irritation, so there's no reason why you shouldn't use them twice a day if you'd like to. I just like to save them because they are a little bit on the pricier side, but I do notice an actual visible difference in my skin and texture, and my pores look so much smaller and smoother when I use these at least once a day. I really like these. You don't feel tingly, there's no type of irritation. They're just a really well formulated resurfacing pad. I'm really impressed and I will continue to purchase these. I like them on my body because I don't really break out a lot, but sometimes on my chest I'll get just a little bit of texture, and I really like just swiping these on my décolleté and my back and shoulders whenever I feel like, oh, okay, I might have a breakout coming, or I just feel like clogged pores. So I really like how you can use this all over your body. God, this is the most revolutionary body product I think I've ever used. This is the Watermelon Probiotic Underarm Toner by Bella Skin Beauty. It is an organic spray-on toner specifically for your underarms. It does eliminate odor and prevents odor from coming back. Like, your sweat will start to smell like water. It's crazy. So I use this. It also brightens your underarms. If you use like a sharp razor, or if you get wax, girl, your armpits will be gleaming after a month of use. Another absolute tried and true. I've put this in almost every skincare video I think I have on this channel. It is the Bloom Meltdown Acne Oil. It is absolutely iconic. It is my go-to for any kind of breakout. Aside from like huge pimples, I need something a little bit more heavy duty than this. But as far as like clearing acne, texture, as well as even acne scarring, it is so good at clearing your skin super gently. It is absolutely amazing, and I really love what it does for my hormonal acne. It can actually prevent my hormonal breakouts from occurring, and I really love it. It has rose hip and blue tansy, and I cannot recommend this enough. This is probably my 5th or 6th bottle by now, and I'm absolutely in love. So now that my skin's been treated, it's time to give it some love. I love the Superegg Moisturizer. This is another one that's been featured in a few of my videos. It is so lightweight and it is definition versatile. The thing I notice most is that it really does deliver dewy skin all day. Your skin doesn't get greasy, it doesn't get oily, and it doesn't get dry or matte. The way you look when you apply the moisturizer is the way you're gonna look when you take a shower later on. It's actually really incredible. It's kind of one of those products that it's not super exciting. It's not like the most glamorous product, but you will find yourself just picking it up and using it constantly because it is light enough to wear under makeup. It's nourishing enough to use at night. It's just like, it gets along with everything, and then your skin just eventually starts to look so much better. Every time I use it, I realize why I continue to pick it up. Like, look at my skin. Like, that is just like, that's how you just look all day. It also has peptides, which I absolutely adore, which encourages collagen and elastin production, which is super necessary. Last but not least, the iconic Summer Fridays Jet Lag Mask. It hydrates and calms your skin. It is multi-purpose as a moisturizer overnight mask, and I also love it as an eye cream, and I use it as a treatment on my lips as well. I'll put it on and then I'll layer a balm on top, and I really love this because you look better the morning after. It really is that powerhouse skincare product that is going to really upgrade your face the very next day. I hope you guys enjoyed this transformative skin edit, and I will definitely do some more in the future. I have some daytime products that I think you guys would absolutely adore. Thanks so much for watching, and feel free to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Bye!